Welcome to the Hillsborough County Clerk of Court and Comptroller's Office. We employ more than 690 employees when fully staffed in downtown Tampa, Plant City, and Brandon. We have more than 1,000 different constitutional and statutory responsibilities, and we handle these responsibilities with equity, transparency, and independence. The Florida Constitution established the Clerk of Court and Comptroller as a public trustee, independently elected to safeguard your public records and public funds. Nearly every Hillsborough County public record or court document passes through our office. You're probably familiar with some of what we do.
I, Cindy Stewart,
We meet people on their best
by
days.
virtue of the authority vested in me by the state of Florida, pronounce you joint in matrimony.
We call citizens to dutifully serve, summoning 2,700 jurors every week. We serve in Hillsborough County courtrooms, civil and criminal. We also do a lot you're probably not familiar with. We're guardians of Hillsborough County history, safeguarding deeds dating back to the 1830s. We track and keep trial evidence, and we store thousands and thousands of records. Our clerk, Cindy Stewart, is also the Chief Financial Officer for the Board of County Commissioners, managing its finances and paying bills. Florida's comptrollers watch your tax dollars and keep local government accountable. Here's how. Comptrollers serve three main roles in county government: as the auditor, accountant, and the custodian of tax dollars. As the auditor, comptrollers provide careful oversight on all county spending by conducting independent reviews and scrutinizing county contracts. Comptrollers work to eliminate fraud and misuse of public funds, saving millions. As the accountant, comptrollers maintain financial records and prepare reports on financial activity for the Board of County Commissioners. Comptrollers even keep inventory of county assets, such as county-owned property and vehicles, and oversee payroll for local government officials. And as the custodian of tax dollars, comptrollers make sure public funds are spent wisely, efficiently, and in accordance with the law. That means reviewing multi-million-dollar contracts. That means overseeing investments for the county that affect the county's credit rating. And that means making sure every cent is accounted for. We maintain all county records like mortgages, deeds, and marriage licenses. When you need to fill out a passport application, you can visit us as a one-stop shop. We take photos and can overnight your paperwork. You can just stop in, no appointment necessary. Our employees process civil and criminal court documents, but we do more than wait for the community to come to us. We go into our community. We like to meet constituents where they are. In fact, we pride ourselves on being a big part of our community.
We are happy to help you find a job in government.
The clerk's office leads a government career fair, drawing hundreds of attendees who have the chance to connect with recruiters from across the county in one spot. Job seekers can meet face-to-face with more than a dozen participating agencies. We also recruit the best and brightest at Future Career Academy job fairs across Hillsborough County. It's a great place to find local graduates who are searching for careers with excellent benefits, as well as career development opportunity. And did you know our office offers a property fraud alert? Homeowners can sign up for the free alert, which notifies you whenever a document is recorded using your name or your business name in Hillsborough County. Our office was honored by the Florida Attorney General's Office for its human trafficking awareness efforts. We're recognized as the largest agency in the state to join her 100% Club. Our employees chose to participate in training about how to spot and report the signs of human trafficking. We also took it to the next level, hosting an educational panel with judicial, law enforcement, and survivor experts to build on our employee training.
These are the kind of warning signs that my staff now has the ability to recognize and report if necessary.
We partner with local nonprofit Feeding Tampa Bay to stock a food pantry for our employees and for our local partners. We call it the Clerk's Table. Clerk's office volunteers help homeowners during Paint Your Heart Out Tampa, freshening up homes and clearing yards. The program helps brighten the lives of 68 homeowners in neighborhoods across the city. We also hold special Passport Saturday events, so constituents can apply for a passport during non-work hours. Walk-ins are always welcome, and convenient weekend hours in downtown Tampa and Plant City allow families to bring children when they're out of school.
Here we go, here we go, here we go!
We love celebrating with our community. Clerk's office employees often volunteer to march in many of Hillsborough County's parades, including Tampa's Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Parade, Tampa's Pride Diversity Parade, and Plant City's Strawberry Festival Parade.
And we got a big old team here. This is the clerk.
We partner with the 13th Judicial Circuit Court, the State Attorney's Office, Public Defender's Office, Hillsborough County Veterans Services, the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, and various local veterans organizations to bring the Veterans Outreach Court to the James A. Haley Veterans Hospital. Military veterans who need help with criminal court cases and traffic citations can pre-register for a hearing. Our annual event, On the Road Again, helps those with suspended driver's licenses save money and get back on the road. The event gives drivers the opportunity to address overdue court obligations while saving money in additional fees. Judges review each driver's case history and determine if any court fines or fees can be reduced. Many who attend get their driver's licenses back on site that same day. Hillsborough County jurors can now donate their daily compensation to a local charity per state statute. The charitable donations rotate between the Spring of Tampa Bay, the local domestic violence shelter, and Voices for Children, supporting children in the foster care system. We also meet people on their worst days, showing compassion for victims experiencing trauma or adversity, making sure we're available on holidays and weekends. Domestic violence victims, 6,500 every year, request restraining orders from our office. We just instituted a state initiative called Project Protect, working closely with the Attorney General and the Sheriff's Office, as well as the Spring of Tampa Bay. We help domestic violence victims secure doorbell cameras, providing added peace of mind. And our clerk, alongside community advocates like the Spring of Tampa Bay, championed a new law modernizing the injunction process. Clerks statewide can now email certified paper copies of protective orders and supporting documents instead of relying on U.S. mail. The change provides swifter protection to victims in imminent danger. The clerk's office is a majority minority office. We serve approximately 40,000 customers annually who require language support such as translation or interpretation. Our office compensates bilingual employees through an incentive pay policy, providing these services to meet the needs of our community. And we will continue to innovate in the future. Our promise to you is to keep your records safe and provide them when you need them, with equity, transparency, and independence. One of the best ways you can connect with us is through social media. We always want to stay in touch with our community about ways to serve you better.